Good day, students. Today I want to discuss on the topic that deal with buying and selling of electrical power. Electrical energy consumption is measured and sold by Power Holding Company of Nigeria in unit of kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by the electrical appliance in the power of 1 kilowatt in 1 hour. The power of 1 kilowatt used by the appliance for 1 hour. Okay, see, electrical energy consumption is measured and sold by the Power Company of Nigeria in unit of kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an appliance when the power of 1 kilowatt is used by the appliance for 1 hour. It is measured per hour. That's why you see the rating in kilowatt hour. Now let's solve a problem on it. An electric appliance takes current 5 ampere when operated on 220 volts supply. Find the cost of operating the appliance for 12 hours at 10 kobo per kilowatt hour. Now, always remember that your power P is equal to energy or work. Energy over time taken. They are both in joules. We cross multiply. Energy equals power times time taken. Okay, now you have energy, you have your power to be IV. Now energy equals, instead of writing power, you can put IV, or you have current and voltage. IV equals to power multiplied by time. Don't forget that power is in watts, time is in hour. We are working based on hour. Now what's the current? You have 5 times 220. Okay, 220. Everything like this now is in watts multiplied by what is the time in hour. Appliance, find the cost of operating the appliance for 12 hours times 12. This one is in hour. Okay, now since you have it like this, you have to convert it to kilowatt hour. That's why you now divide by 1000 later, because it's being calculated in kilowatt hour. Okay, now you can now, in the next line, you can now say energy. You don't want to put divide by 1000 here, because we are expressing this in watt and hour. You can now say 5 times 220 times 12. Immediately you divide by 1000, you come here and put kilowatt hour. You have now made it to be kilowatt hour because of division by 1000. Okay, now based on this, now we are working on IVT. We have now converted it to kilowatt hour. They now said 10 kobo per kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour, this 10 kobo at that amount. Now, but if you have now used your appliance that takes 5 ampere when operated at this voltage, let's know the cost when you have used it for 12 hours. Let's know the cost. Now the cost is, let's take this one, 10 kobo goes to 1 kilowatt hour. This one, now let's know the price. Now bring it toward this side. 5 times 220 times 12 divided by 1000. This one is in kilowatt hour. Likewise to what? X. It will now be this times d divided by 1. Your X equals 5 times 220 times 12 divided by 1000 times 10 times 10. Okay, divide by 1 will still give you the same thing. Now when you press your calculator, the upper one, when you multiply it, you have, or let's do division. 0 cancel is 0, 0 cancel is 0, 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 11. Okay, now let's now multiply that. 12 times 11, 12 times 11, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's 132 kobo. Now let's make it to be naira and kobo. Don't forget that 100 kobo make 1 naira. Now you have 1 naira here because you have here you have 100 kobo plus 32 kobo. Now have our x to be 1 naira 32 kobo. That's the cost of operating the appliance for 12 hours at 10 kobo per kilowatt hour. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.